Take her away from here if she's gonna cry.
No.
Okay. Great sign. Started happy at night. Gonna start happy at night. She loves it so much.
Who wants it now? This sheep?
Climbing mountains. Say hi, Brett.
Hey, look up here.
Say hi.
Good job.
What's the cow's name?
This is Kathy.
Kathy.
Auntie Papa, come here.
Ready?
Okay, so feed them now. Hurry up.
I'm gonna celebrate Shabbat dinner. Because hurry up, sit, then you move. Come on, one more time. Sit next to Tati.
Why'd you move Shani away? Not yet. Where are you, Maytal? No, where are we?